Okay, so we've made it out to the river house. This is 2 weeks after the storm, after Helene, and I just wanted to see how everything looked. The neighbors let us know that the front of our house was dry, but the water came up and flooded the back. So this is our garden. Now it is gone. My mother-in-law mostly took care of this back garden, and it, of course, is completely washed away. We'll see in time if anything comes back up. And the water line came up to just the back of our deck here. So there's like a little water line of leaves, and it did not go over the well. So that is great. Last time the floodwaters went over the wellhead out here, and it was submerged in floodwaters. And of course, if that happens, you have to have your water tested and have it treated. So fortunately, it did not happen this time. So now for the good news, let's go to the front garden, and here is what you will see out here. So we have a fully intact garden. Very happy about this. The temperatures are really getting cold now, so in the low 30s. So I've lost a few plants out here just from cold weather, not from a flood or anything else like that. I'll go ahead today. I'll show you what's growing over here, what survived this storm. I just cannot believe that this garden survived. I just knew it would be gone for sure. So I'm so fortunate, and I just want to remind you guys, and I know you're out there praying for the people here in Western North Carolina, but there's also a lot of other states that were affected by the storm. I'm just amazed at how our side of Western North Carolina was just devastated. You can look at areas like Fairview, Black Mountain, Lake Lure, Chimney Rock. Those are all on my side of town. So just keep everyone in your prayers. I know a lot of people from Georgia, Tennessee were also affected by the storm. So anyway, what I'm going to do here is I'll take out these sweet potatoes because they look like they are being affected by the frost that we're getting now. And I think back there in the corner I have a zucchini. I'll pick it before I leave. Let's see what else is going on over here. The amaranth, of course, is falling over. I'll take home some of these acorn squash. I'm not sure if those will still be good or not. Let me see if the underside is orange. No orange, just a little bit there. So I may take those home, see what they look like. Let's see. More sweet potatoes over here, and the zinnias are hanging in there. Looks like I have, I think those are some dahlias back there, the yellow ones. I'm pretty sure they are. Finally blooming. And let's see, scallions, I'll pick all these, take those home with me. They are past their prime, really. So I'll take those, might take home some chives. See what else is growing in here. I'll probably go ahead and pull out the marigold bush. It's not looking too good here. And the amaranth is nice. I'm glad I tied that up to support it. And some more zucchini down in here. And I see I planted some spinach back here, but I don't see that it's coming up. Something's coming up, and I think it's cilantro. I think I have some cilantro coming up there. Loads of little tomatoes. So I'll get busy over here picking all these little tomatoes. I'm so glad this will be my last harvest of tomatoes. I also have a lot of cucumbers I'll take home with me down in here. So I'll have a cucumber and tomato salad. Alright, so there you have it. It's unusual how some things are spared and some things are taken. But we are very blessed nonetheless. And I really, really appreciate all of you who have been out there donating to the Nesbitt Chapel Hurricane Relief Fund. At this point in Western North Carolina, people are trying to focus on how they're going to get back on their feet. Food and water is very plentiful. That need has been met, and I would say even exceeded. So if you can find in your heart to donate to the Hurricane Relief Fund at GoFundMe, I'll leave a link below the video as well as right here on the screen. Thank you to all of you who have donated and shared that GoFundMe. I'd like to see some people getting some help, rebuilding and trying to get back on their feet. Thank y'all so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.